Welcome to Chinese Garden of Friendship in Darling Harbour. Entry is $12 for adults, $8 for kids under 12, and family passes are available too. Once you step inside, it feels like you've left the busy city behind. It's calm, peaceful, and perfect for a family walk. We found the dragon wall with a wishing well underneath. Callie made her little wish, so adorable. At the heart of the garden, the koi pond stole the show. Callie loved the giant fish and even snapped some photos herself. From rare black bamboo to banana trees, there's so much to discover. At the top, we reached the Ge. The views here are simply beautiful. Before leaving, we admired the bonsai collection. The Chinese Garden of Friendship is truly one of a kind, a peaceful escape in the city.